Uh-oh.
No, now you're making me.
What's up, guys? Welcome to True Boys RC. Today we got that Arrma Kraton, baby. 4G hobbies. We finna get it in. All right, big brother, talk to us about RC, baby. You're gonna see him in a little bit. He had to run so well. Yeah. Kraton is a beast, boy. Family Day RC, baby. Family Day RC, baby. Nice family day with your RCs, man. You can't beat it. See if we can clear the road. Gotcha. Yeah. You got slow-mo on? Uh-oh. Here you go, man. All right, come on. We gotta get out of here before your mama have a stroke. What?
Yeah, it's got a few of them like that.
I wish I had my silver sleeve.
Come on, True Boys. He might try to get you for excessive speeding. Daddy was trying to get pulled over by the policeman. Going over 25 miles an hour.
Y'all know how we do on Two Boys RC.
Let's get it. So let me ask you this, True Boy. What's your favorite RC car?
Mojave, baby.
Mojave is your favorite. Is that just your current favorite? Or, right, is that just your current favorite, or is that your all-time favorite this far? Thus far.
I would have to say Traxxas X-Max might be my all-time favorite until I get
you get the big one.
Kraton. Yes.
Or the one that's the bigger than the X-Max.
Yes.
The Dodge.
No, oh yeah, the Raminator.
Yes, the Raminator.
Raminator one day.
Yeah, Raminator will beat all.
RC Max motor in there. And get it in, baby. We got my wife behind the track.
I'm not behind a track.
She's behind
the camera.
Yeah. And then we got a little bugaboo right here. We got Big True, Little True, Miss True.
Tay, what is your favorite RC car?
I got mine, the lightning bolt frame.
Which RC
The lightning bolt frame? But which of Daddy's is your favorite? No, which car of Daddy's is your favorite? The Kraton, the Mojave, the X-Max car? Which one? The Kraton is your favorite? No way. Wow.
I'm gonna just trick them into a sand crazy. She always loved it.
The X-Max. Oh, Mojave. Well, yeah.
Daddy went dead again.
My favorite is...
What's your favorite RC car of mine?
I'd have to say the E-Revo.
What?
It's not as fast as all of them.
No, it's not, and I don't know why. I think maybe because it was your first like major car. I know you had other cars other than that, but the E-Revo was kind of like, there's like a history there with the E-Revo. It kind of started everything. So I think I have like an emotional connection to it.
First RC car we had
on videos, right? And I think it just kind of, I have like an emotional connection to it.
And then we went to the X-Max.
Now X-Max is definitely my favorite as far as like size and strength and durability, and I like your paint jobs that you have on your bodies for the X-Max. I did a good job on those, didn't I?
Yeah, you did.
Yeah. All right.
Good job.
And if y'all need your bodies done, just contact me at 00000. What? But thanks for tuning in. True Family, signing off.